Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to free up space on Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Of course you need to sign in into your account, tap at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you use your current account. If you use another one, just tap the another one if you have it at the list, or just add it. After that, you need to also tap at the profile icon, and then right here we have free up space. So tap at this line, then click delete, delete, and got it. Also, I recommend it to, again, tap at the profile icon, then go to the Google Photos settings, backup, then scroll down just a bit, so you need to find backup quality. Tap at this line, and if you want to save some space, I recommend it to change original quality to storage saver. And of course, you can free up space by deleting unwanted photos and videos. So let's say I don't need this one, just move it to the trash, click delete, or trash if you delete only one. Okay, so delete or trash, as I said, and delete. Now you have these photos. If you go to the collections, right here I have in the trash. And if you delete it from the trash, you will delete them permanently. So if you don't need them, just click at the three dots, select, and delete all. Delete. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!